Okay, this is sewage, raw sewage. Now, you smell it, ammonia and all kinds of bacteria. You know, this is raw sewage. And inside here, we have two horizontal filters, which is made with Aquadiva Global Tri-Filter nanotechnology. You know, they are pleated filters, and they can be backwashed. They're tri-chamber filters. And from here, the sewage is pumped into this reservoir, which has a single tri-filter, you know, also treated with nanotechnology. And its filter is a half a micron. And then from here goes into this bucket, which has a bioreactor, again, nanotechnology. So from raw sewage to drinking water is a three-step process. But we're going to show you a sketch of all this technology is compacted into one piece, you know, which is called the emergency survival bucket for a diverse weather conditions like floods, hurricanes. Anytime that the main water supply and power is disrupted, this can be run with an air pump, a hand pump, or a battery-operated compressor. And for remote locations, we have a single-stage air compressor, which can be run with a bicycle, you know, also a centrifugal pump that can be driven by a bicycle. So this is for remote locations where they don't have any power, and then they will be able to access to biologically stable water, you know, without any pathogens. All of this is chemical free. There's no chemical whatsoever. Pressurized with up to 1 atmosphere this vessel, because water has a tendency to reach its own level, and there's not enough hydrostatic head to push the filtered fluid through this secondary process here. Primary, secondary, and tertiary process. Okay, so first of all, what we're going to do, this is a battery-operated air compressor, which this system can be run with a hand pump as well. But this is operated air compressor, so what we're going to do, we're going to pressurize, and you're going to see the level rise over here, so the water filter is going to come over here. So we open this valve, and then you bump it with the air compressor. Now this went through this process, which also has some ability to neutralize pathogens with the nanoparticle technology. And now we're going to go from this secondary process into the tertiary process. Sometimes it can free flow on its own, okay? But sometimes you have to pressurize. So we're going to open this, close that, connect to the secondary air compressor there, and then we're going to make us some water. Now you're going to have drinking water from that. Now we can open this faucet and it will have crystal clear water. Let me get the glass there. We can. Okay. You can drink sewage water. This water is better than any tap water and is equal to a bottled water. And all the process is done chemical free. Sterilization is absolutely 100% chemical free. No chlorine, no chloramines, no THMs. It's all done with nanoparticle technology. Salute. Put a little CO2, you have Perrier or toilet.